I'm Sai Chaitanya. Welcome back to my channel Sai Tech. In today's video, I'll try to do the YouTube battery drain test in this MI11X device with the 480 resolution videos. So this was a question asked by one of my subscribers asking me to make a video on this one. So I thought of making a video on the battery life test. So previously I did a YouTube battery drain test as well, but I did include 1080 video recording. So some of the users, they do want with the 480 recording. So let's see friends, what will be the 480 recording battery drain results as well in this phone. So meanwhile, try to check the plenty of videos which I uploaded on the MI11X device. You can find all the links of the MI11X in the description below. So let's get started friends with this kind of YouTube test which I'm going to do. So first thing is that let me try to decrease to refresh rate to 60 Hz. So refresh rate is set to the 60 Hz, and I'll try to even use the 50% brightness during this time, not 100%. So 50% brightness, and I'll try to play the YouTube videos continuously for about 2 hours of playing. So 2 hours I'll try to play continuously the YouTube, not for a really long time, only for 2 hours, because I need to do plenty of other tests on this phone, because the phone received the MIUI 12.5 update just now. So I need to test a lot more videos. So that's why I thought of doing only for short time. So 2 hours should be fine. So I'll try to play one of my biggest playlists which I've created ever on the Poco X3 smartphone. I'll try to play this playlist continuously for 2 hours non-stop with the 480 resolution. As you can see friends, right now I selected the quality to the 480 as well at the moment, as you can clearly see. So 480, and the battery percentage is of 53%. Let me even try to show you what is the battery percentage before starting the test as well, so you know exactly how much the battery will decrease after 2 hours of continuously playing. So 53%. Let me try to quickly open the YouTube application and start playing the videos with the 50% brightness. So this is with the 50% brightness, as you can see friends. I'm trying to adjust exactly in the middle. So 50% brightness. Let me try to start the stopwatch and try to keep in full screen, as you can see. So this is with the 480 resolution I'm trying to play right now. So for next 2 hours I'll try to play continuously the YouTube video only. So let's see friends, what will be the battery drain results will happen in this phone if you're playing 480 resolution at 50% brightness with Wi-Fi connection and with Type-C earphones as well. So again I'll be back after 1 hour of 1 hour of playing, so we can discuss in 1 hour how much the battery decreased from 53 to how much, what kind of percentage as well. So let's see friends. As you can see friends, right now it's been 1 hour of continuously playing the YouTube videos in this phone with the 480 resolution. As you can clearly see friends, with the 480 I'm trying to play the YouTube videos with the 50% brightness only. Let me try to show you what is the battery percentage, how much it is right now. As you can see, it's close to 45%. Let me try to increase the brightness. So 45%. So from the beginning it decreased from 53 to 45. So overall there is a drain of 8% of battery in the first 1 hour of usage. As you can see friends, 8% in the first 1 hour. So again I'll be back after 1 more hour. So let's see how much the battery percentage will get drained. So right now you can see here friends, it's been exactly 2 hours of continuously playing these YouTube videos in this phone in the MI11X device with the 480 resolution. As you can see friends, I'm just playing with the 480 resolution for the continuously 2 hours of non-stop. So let me try to quickly show you the battery percentage. So here is the battery percentage friends. As you can see right now it decreased to 37%. So we started the test from the 53% if you do remember after 2 hours. So it decreased up to 37%. Let me try to take down the calculator. As you can see friends, meanwhile for every 1 hour there will be a decrease of 8% of the battery, as you can clearly see. So in this case you can get the battery life of the YouTube watching continuously for about 12.5 hours. So you're getting extra 1 hour of battery life just if you're watching, decreasing the YouTube resolution to the 480 resolution and watching continuously. This is what the results are. Only there will be improvement only little bit, not much. So thank you friends for watching this video. For more videos make sure to subscribe and stay tuned to my channel, and see you in the next video friends. Until then, bye.